Hi everyone, it is Carlin here and we're in front of my kiln. As you can see, I have a little guest. She wanted to do a video with me, so I thought why not a kiln opening, because this is an exciting one, or it should be a fun one. There are a lot of mugs in here. I packed this right full of mugs. There's at least 10 mugs, maybe 11 mugs in my Scott 714. Yeah, that's a lot. That's a lot for this little baby kiln. I do make mugs on the smaller size, like around like the 10 ounce is usually my biggest. Maybe 12 might be my absolute largest mug that I make. But yeah, so there's some flower mugs in here. There's some, I don't think there's abstract mugs in here, but there are some fun, really colorful mugs in here. There's a few tester things in here. There's some little bud vases. Yeah, there's a lot of things in this little kiln. This is the biggest kiln that I have run in a very long time. And I am a lot cheerier than I was the last kiln unload because the sun has shone for 2 days. 2 days of sunshine. Perfect, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Now, this kiln is very hot still. Like, it's 180 degrees. Don't come for me. I've done it before and it's worked out fine. I know lots of people that don't do it until it's like totally room temperature. I didn't want to wait anymore. I have practiced a lot of patience with pottery. I've learned it. But not today. I want to know what's in here today. Right? Yeah. Okay. Okay. So let's get this opened. I did not peek either. So.
Mom,
yeah.
can I tell you something?
Yeah, what do you want to say?
I want to say it could get really hot.
It's, yeah, okay.
It will get really hot.
It's really
so
hot.
you need to wear gloves.
Yeah, you have to wear gloves. Yeah. Yeah, 178 degrees. It's hot. I've had it propped open for a little while. I've kind of like peeped in the little prop here, but yeah, I can't really see anything. So let's open it up.
That's so hot.
Oh,
I like that.
okay, well, careful, careful, careful.
I like that dark blue one and that purple.
They look nice, eh?
Yeah. Can I?
Here, let's give you a little,
Okay.
let's show you right here.
Yeah.
Look at
They're
those.
just like pretty.
There. Yes, they are. All right, so let's pull these out. Hold on here. Let's pull these out and we'll go through them. So this design of these flower mugs, this isn't new. I've made these lots before. But there is 6 of them on this top shelf.
Yeah.
And this one, so let's take the cone out first. I did find one lone cone. Let's see if I can grab it. Ooh, don't burn me. Ooh. Oh, it's not too bad. I mean, it's hot, but. So that is my cone. That is cone 6. I'm good with that. That is a perfect cone in my opinion. Yeah, should we start with this one? Okay. So this one, normally I make all these flowers white. They're my little white flowers with the colored outsides. But I wanted to try doing some solid colors. So what I did with this one was I did Amico Snow, because snow is a favorite white of mine and I love it on a speckled clay. So that is what this one is. Oh, look at that, Malin.
Wow.
So this is Amico's Snow.
But we can't really see it.
I know, we gotta cover your face. Can you come stand back over here for a second? So look at that. How beautiful is that? And that is just Amico's Snow, 3 full coats. Oh, wow. I'm so happy with that. I did an all black one as well with Mako's black matte. It is not in the kiln yet. I could not fit it in this kiln unload. But after seeing that all white one, I'm so excited for the all black one. Yeah.
Is it that one?
This one?
Yeah.
No, there's an all black one, but that's a different one.
Where is it?
Oh,
That's
this
pretty.
one is pretty, but it didn't turn out like I thought it was going to.
Yeah.
So this one is, oh, careful. So this one is, okay, you gotta put your face behind mommy. So this one is floating turquoise. Now, normally floating turquoise is a lot brighter. For some reason, it really picked up the speckle. And I've done it with these mugs before. So I am surprised a little bit. Interesting. But I just think these are so cute. And like I've said before, totally usable. I mean, I have my gloves on, but. Oh, that is pretty. Super pretty. So this one, man, you gotta go behind mommy for a bit. I know. This one is Louisiana Bayou. 2 coats of Louisiana Bayou. All of these flowers are Spectrum's Stoneware White, Cactus and Nori Green on the stem, and then Curry for the middle. I think these are gorgeous. So happy with those. This one is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So this one is Twilight, Spectrum's Twilight. It is a gorgeous glaze. It looks very gray on camera, but it's not. Like in person, it's not quite as gray. It's more blue. And then again, same with like, all these flowers are exactly the same. How pretty is that? Like I just love these mugs. I think they're so pretty. What do you think?
I like all of them.
You like them all? Yeah, I think they're really pretty.
I like that white. I like that white one.
Yeah,
And that pink one.
the pink one's nice too. So this is Sunrise by Spectrum. All these Spectrum have 2 coats. Such a pretty. I love Spectrum on the speckled clay. It just, yeah, it's beautiful. And all of these mugs on this top shelf are Spectrum's 340S. So it is their speckled. It's Plainsman 340S, not Spectrum. Oh, I love it. Look at this one.
I love that one.
But it did.
I love it. I like the inside.
Yeah. Okay, so this one is Spectrum's, I did Autumn Purple all the way, 2 coats of Autumn Purple. Then I did a lip of Morning Glory. Actually, no, a lip of Floating Turquoise. And then I put Light Flux on the rim. And I love it. It looks absolutely beautiful. I think that's gorgeous. That looks so beautiful.
I love them all.
Look at that. Look at that. I love it. So pretty. You like that one? Oh, you don't like it? So this right here, the last kiln opening I did, I posted a mug that had this on it. So it's Amico's Goldenrod Satin Matte. And then I did 1 coat of Pearl White, 1 coat of Sangria, and then Curry. And look how beautiful that is. The contrast is so beautiful. And look at those. I love it. I absolutely love that combo. I think it's so beautiful. Okay, let's just move these down here. This second shelf has a couple things that I did last week, but it also has some new stuff in it. So let's just take a look at this new shelf. My helper has decided to wander off, so she's done. These are hot, but perfect. Oh, look at that. All right, so I did this in the last kiln opening as well. So this is Mako's Matte Pink, and I did 2 coats of Bougainvillea, 2 coats of Fuzzy Peach, and then Light Flux on the rim. And look how pretty that is. It's like pink sherbet. It's beautiful. And look at that. Look at that handle. So, so pretty. And on the inside, beautiful, absolutely beautiful.
That is.
Oh, you ready? You're ready to come back? Okay. What do you think? What do you think of this one?
I like that one. I only like that one.
You like this one? Yeah.
It was like the same one as last time.
Yeah.
That's the same one as last time too.
Yes, we did this one last time too, but I liked it so much I had to do it again. So this is just like the Bud Base Amico's Satin Matte Goldenrod, then 1 coat Pearl White, 1 coat Sangria, and then Curry to about here. And it's just so beautiful. I love the contrast. And like, look at the pooling and the details. I just, like, look at that. Look at that in there. And the inside, so, so pretty. Yes. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Look how pretty that is. Do you like this?
This one and that one.
So this one is just like the mug.
With the shirt.
So it is pink matte. Oh, Mako's matte pink with 2 coats bougainvillea, 2 coats fuzzy peach, and then light flux just on the rim. It is so, so cute. Yes. Okay.
It's like the same mug that we just showed for the first one.
Yeah, it's just like the pink mug, yeah. Okay, so let's do this one.
Ooh.
You like that one?
Yeah. I like that one. Oh, I like that one.
I like
that
what
one,
it did
that one.
in here, but I'm not a fan of the top.
Well, I'm a fan of the top. I like it.
Interesting. I think we should have mixed them together a bit more. You gotta come behind me a little bit. There we go. So, just stay back there for 1 second. So this one right here is fuzzy peach, floating turquoise, and sangria, and then it's sangria on the inside. And I was hoping that maybe it would mesh together a little bit more like here, but I think maybe I should have, I don't know what else I should have done. Like, I don't mind the way that it looks like down here, but I don't like this. I don't like this stark line. And I'm not sure how people achieve that with the floating glazes. But I always find that I get like stark lines when I mix them together. I'm not a fan. Like, I think this is pretty, but I wish I had more of like this in here all over rather than just in one spot. I wish I had that up here as well, but it's not terrible. Okay, so there's 2 mugs left. Oh man, I love this combo. I love it. I love it, I love it.
Ooh, I love that.
Do you like it? Watch the cord here. So these mugs, there's 2 of these same. 2 coats black walnut, 2 coats of sand and sea. Look at the pooling. The pooling that this does is so beautiful. Like, look at the handle. And the inside, like, look at the dripping on the inside. Unreal. I love it. Love it. Oh, this one looks even prettier. So this one is the same. This one, for some reason, got a little bit more with the matte pieces. Maybe I didn't put sand and sea as thick there or something. But how beautiful. And on the inside, like, look at that. How beautiful is that? I just think these are beautiful. I love it. All right. So that's an empty kiln. What do you think? What do you think of all the stuff we pulled out?
I like it.
You liked it? I think this was a wonderful kiln unload. There was so many beautiful pieces in here. So many beautiful things. I'm so excited with this kiln unload. And I fit so many things in my little tiny kiln. There is 11 mugs and 2 bud vases. That is a lot for this little kiln. Pumped.
Mom,
Super stoked. What?
except I don't like these 2 gold ones.
Oh yeah, she doesn't like the, yeah. That's okay. I like those ones.
I don't.
That's
I like
okay.
all of the rest.
Okay, well, that's okay. Anyway, let me know what you guys think of this kiln unload. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. Otherwise, please consider like, sharing, and subscribing so that you never miss when I post content like this. Otherwise, we will see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.
Bye.